Morning students, today we are going to learn what is nested loop. So loop within a loop is known as a nested loop. When inside one loop there is another loop, it is known as nested loop. We are going to see some pattern program how the nested loop is executed. So here we will draw this pattern 1, 2, 2. This pattern we will see how we will write a program to get this pattern by making use of nested for loop. Now one thing I must tell you here, I is for row and J is for column. You know these are known as rows and these are known as columns. So we will see in this pattern how many rows and columns are there. Accordingly the value of loop I and J will vary. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many? What is the value of I? 5. And how many columns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So J value will also be 5. So we will run a loop. We will see. You will write a class as normal you write. We don't have to input anything in this. So we will not use scanner class. So here we are going to write for I is equal to 1. I is less than equal to 5. I plus plus. This is a starting value. This is a final value. And this is increment or decrement. Now the loop begins with a open curly bracket. Inside this loop we will put another loop, that is for j is equals to 1, j is less than equal to I. How many times this loop will execute? As many the value of I is there. If I is 1, this loop will execute 1 time. If I value is 5, it will execute 5 times. Because we are given the condition j is less than equal to I and j plus plus. This is semicolon. Now this also loop, what we are going to write now, this is outer loop, this is inner loop. So we will write system dot out dot print ln. No, ln we will not put because we don't have to change the rows and columns. So I will just write print and I will write I semicolon. Now this inner loop, this is the inner loop. And I will close this loop also, but before that I will write system dot out dot println and bracket open and close so that it will leave a line. And after this I am going to close it. So this is the outer loop. So we have one loop inside another loop. This is a concept of nested loop. Now we see how the output will come. We will see the value of I and j. First time the value of I is starting from 1. So it will be 1. It will go till 5. But when we come inside, so 1 to 1 the loop will execute. J is equal to 1. So j value is also 1. SOPI. What will be printed? 1 will be printed. Loop will be executing 1 time only. Outer loop is 1. So inner loop will execute 1. Now j plus plus, so j value will become 2 and 2 is not less than equal to 1. So loop will terminate. Then we come here, so it will leave a line. We will come to the next line. I plus plus, I value will become 2. J value again it will start from 1. This is a basic difference between inner loop and outer loop. J will always start from 1. So j value is 1. System out print I, what will be printed? 2. This 2. J plus plus, j value will become now 2. So 2 is equal to 2. This 2 will be printed. Now j value will become 3 and 3 is not less than equal to 2. So loop will terminate. We will come to the next line. Third row. I plus plus, I value will become 3. Now j value will again start from 1. So it will be 1 and we are what we are printing? Value of I, and what is that value of I? 3. So it will print 3. Now j plus plus, j value will become now 2. 2 is also less than 3. So it will print 3 here. This 3 will come. J plus plus, j value will become now 3. 3 is equal to 3. So this 3 will be printed. Now j value will become 4, but 4 is not less than equal to 3. So this inner loop will terminate. We will come here. We will come to the fourth row. I plus plus, I value will become 4. Now j will again start from 1. So J loop will be executed how many times now? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is printing 4 times the value of I. Same way, I plus plus I value will become 5. J will execute from 1 to 5 and it will print 5 times. So this was the concept of nested loop. If you understand this program, further programs, it will be easy for you to understand because this is the base program of nested loop. I hope you have understood. Please like and share my channel.